Each decade, the Food and Drug Administration kills tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands more people than it saves. This is because they focus on type 1 errors while ignoring type 2 errors. Type 1 errors occur when someone dies as a result of an unsafe drug coming to market too quickly. Type 2 errors occur when a safe drug is prevented from coming to the market and people die as a result of not having access to that drug. In a free market without the FDA, pharmaceutical companies continue safety testing on a drug until the marginal cost of doing so outweighs the marginal benefit. This results in efficiency and more lives being saved. Unlike the FDA, the free market optimizes the rate of both type 1 and type 2 errors. Moreover, in a free society, individuals should be able to make their own medical choices and should be able to decide what risks they want to take on. People consult with their doctors and assess their own specific situation to make decisions about life and death. Individuals know themselves better than the government. In the absence of the FDA, not only would the private market self-regulate safety, but private safety certifications would also occur more frequently. The FDA currently prevents these private certifications from flourishing because they have taken on the role of certifying safety. This is known as the crowding out effect. Private safety certifications face competitive pressures. This assures that they respond to the demands and preferences of the consumer. The same cannot be said of the FDA. The FDA approves drugs based on their ideas of safety and risk, not yours. The FDA also faces political pressure that influences their decision-making. And the FDA actually causes a decrease in competition. Small drug companies will often sell their drugs to large drug companies because they cannot afford the lengthy and expensive FDA approval process. This leads to decreased competition and higher drug prices. The FDA does not keep people safe. The role of the government is not to decide what risks you ought to take. The role of the government is not to make medical decisions for you. The role of the government is not to substitute their preferences for yours. The FDA kills. We need to end the FDA before they end us.